Today we learn the experiment which the aim of the experiment is to determine the total hardness of given water sample. Before the starting of experiment, all the apparatus which is required for our practical is washed properly, and today we required the apparatus is the burette. This one is the pipette, this one is conical flask, and this one is the funnel. With the help of funnel, we fill the EDTA in a burette. Okay. The chemical required for our practical is first one EDTA. The full form of EDTA is ethylidene diamine tetraacetic acid. Disodium salt is used for the practical purpose because the disodium salt is easily soluble in water. Now we are already prepared the EDTA for the 0.01 m molarity. Okay. The indicator for our experiment is ideochrome black tea indicator. It's pronounced in short EBT. Okay, which is very familiar name for your information. Okay, which is already prepared. And this one is a buffer. Role of buffer is maintaining the pH. Required buffer for our practical is pH 10. We are already prepared. Okay. This one is a water sample. Now we start our experiment. First of all, this one is pipette. With the help of pipette, first water sample is pipette out. Here is mark. First, go to the mark. Okay, which is the strength of these pipette is 10 ml. Pipette out water sample in a conical flask. Okay, now we add a buffer solution near to 5 ml, which is already prepared. We mark in a test tube up to 5 ml. This one is a buffer solution up to 5 ml. Add in a water sample. Okay. Now use indicator EBT. The color of EBT is blue. When we add in a water sample, the color is wine red. Okay. 1 or 2 drop of EBT indicator is used in our experiment. The water color is wine red color. Okay. Then titrate it against to EDTA solution, which is already filled in a burette. These EDTA is standardized. EDTA is standardized with the zinc sulfate or magnesium sulfate, which is filled in a burette with the help of funnel. Okay. Now we are titrated against to EDTA drop by drop. With the proper shaking. Slowly the color become change. The wine red color change into blue at the end point. Okay, note down the burette reading. Initial point is 0 and the end point is obtained at 5. Okay. note down these reading in an observation table. The same procedure is followed 3 times. Okay, this one is observation table. Here we write the reading. Okay, we calculate the total hardness. So initial reading is 0, 0, and final reading is what will be obtained? 5 ml. So final reading is 5 ml. Same calculation is performed 3 times. So we calculate the total hardness. What is the formula of total hardness? Y is the burette reading. Burette reading is 5 ml, and Z is the molarity of EDTA. Here the EDTA molarity is 0.01 and 100 is the calcium carbonate molecular weight. Because in terms we calculate in the form of molarity, so we take the calcium carbonate molecular weight, which is 100, and 1000 for the conversion of ppm, V for the volume of water sample, and volume of water sample is 10 ml. Okay, so we write here 10, and that hardness is measured in terms of ppm. So we will calculate this total hardness. Okay, thank you.